Hey guys, so I want to do a quick introduction to this video. This is going to be my new 48-inch V-tail FPV speed plane, and this is the flight test, the second flight test and speed test. So we actually get to see how fast it goes. But we run into an issue above 85 miles an hour or so. We get a little bit of yaw shakes back and forth, left and right a little bit. And I noticed this on the very first flight. And so I actually trimmed the tail down a little bit because I felt like maybe I had a little bit too much control. Something was going on with the tail, so I actually trimmed it down, and it did seem to help. But we still have a decent amount of yaw shake, so we can't actually get the plane up to max speed. We got it up to 99 miles an hour, but I think it can go faster, but obviously had to throttle back due to the shake. So check it out and let me know in the comments what you think could be causing this yaw issue.